Hi super viewer, welcome back to our vlog. So for today's vlog, we are going to unbox this Philips Performer Silent. Sabi, ayan, it's a 99.9 dust pickup. Ayan, 10 times more silent. And then 12-meter cord and a 5-year guarantee. It's a made in Europe allergy filter, blah blah blah. Ayan, so that's how it looks like. Just a very ordinary vacuum cleaner. Ayan, so as you can see guys, it's from the box, so that's why we do the unboxing. Ayan, so we are going to test if it's really silent, performer silent. Ayan, so you will see on this video if this is really a performer silent. Ayan, kasi yun yung naging reason, one of the reason why we bought this vacuum cleaner. Ayan, so we're going to test it if it's really a performer silent vacuum cleaner. Ayan, so thank you for coming to my premiere, and super shout out to everyone, especially to my SV members. Ayan. So the brand is Philips. Okay, that's orange one, that's the speed, high to low speed. Ayan, so as you can open, you have the dust bag there inside. Okay, and then you can change, there's a lot of things you can attach to change whenever, whatever you need. Ayan, so we bought also extra dust bags and dust bags and the, what you call this, diffuser. It's called diffuser. Ayan, so we're going to try it. Ayan, that's how it looks like. Meron siyang brush na naka-attach na doon, so pwede mo siyang i-remove to use it. Ayan, so this is the diffuser. Comment down below what you call this one that you need to put inside the dust bag. Ayan, so we decided to do it like that. Ayan, not so silent. Ayan, sound on. So it's not what we are expecting, guys. So it's a bluff. It's not really silent, but siguro we cannot compare it with other vacuum cleaner, but with our old vacuum cleaner, I think it's almost the same. So it's not so silent. Ayan, so that's my review for this Philips Performer Silent Vacuum Cleaner. Ayan, so alam nyo na. So it's up to you. If you're asking about the dust pickup, it's 100%. It's good. It's very strong, and I can give 9 out of 10 for that. But the sound, the Performer Silent that they said, it's like, I think it's gonna be like 6 out of 10. So it's not really a good buy if you will think about the sounds. And as you can hear here, it's not really silent. So that's it for today, guys. I will not take this very long video for you. Just want to show you this Philips vacuum cleaner that we got. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So see you on our next vlog. God bless. Bye.